Welcome to Garden State Off-Road and to today's walk around of our 1987 Suzuki Samurai JX. Start out with the interior. Haven't done much here. Just some pads for the pedals, a couple grab handles, bikini top. The JX came with the tachometer. Added some seat covers for the front, seat covers for the rear for the dogs. That's a step there for the wife. And we went with Rocky Road Outfitters spring over axle YJ kit, which adds 7.5 inches of lift. Went with the Trail Gear 2-inch body lift to give us a total of 9.5 inches of lift to clear the 35 by 15.5 Super Swamper SX tires, 15 by 8 Ion wheels with 3.4-inch back spacing. Went to Zook's Off-Road for the eyes and hubs. We also have 2-inch spacers for the wheels, and for the front end we've got the Rocky Road Outfitters high steer, Trail Gear's diff armor, axle truss front and rear, chromoly axles front and rear, 26 spline with 33 spline Burfields. For the transfer case, we went with Zook's Off-Road Cradle. And gears for the transfer case, we went with Zook's Off-Road Sumo 4.16 gears. We were getting vibration in the drive shaft, and to take care of that problem, went with 4-degree shims, cleared that right up. For the front and rear gears, we went to nitro gear, running 457s. We've got Lock-Right front and rear lockers. And we're just breaking her in. When shopping for a YJ kit, we looked at Dr. Z's, Zook's Off-Road, Trail Tough, Sky Off-Road, and pretty much settled this one because of the missing link. We didn't want to go with the missing link, so we went with the Rocky Road Outfitters kit. And so far, pretty happy with it. Have some future reviews, taking it off-road, testing it out. Please subscribe, hit that bell, and thank you for watching.
Oh, come on! That's not fair. Use your rush. Power, man. Use your rush.